and welcome to yet another edition of Steel Wheel Samachar, the monthly news bulletin of May 2026 of Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West. I'm your host, Rotarian Dr. Monica Uppal, and here are the top highlights from the month. RCJW sponsored the Water on Wheels project of RCJSR New Gen for the week, ensuring clean drinking water during the summer season across Sonari, Bharadwari, Vijay Heritage and Gujarati Sanatan Samaj areas. The initiative was widely appreciated by local residents, which is bringing smiles on the faces of thousands of labourers and passerbys in these areas. RCJW organized a vibrant spouse night cum prize distribution night at Hotel Shaurya Inn.
This year till now we have completed more than 260 projects. आज के इस अवार्ड के असली सम्मान के पात्र हमारे वो मेंबर हैं जिन्होंने प्रोजेक्ट में लीड किया हो या साइलेंटली अपने काम को अंजाम दिया हो या हमारे सामने कुछ नए आइडियाज को लाया हो या छोटा या बड़ा योगदान दिया हो। हर एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हर एक काम के लिए पैसे की जरूरत है और हमारे बहुत सारे मेंबर्स हैं हमारे रोटरी क्लब जमशेदपुर वेस्ट में और इस तरह से पैसे के लिए आज तक कोई काम नहीं रुका है और हमारे मेंबर्स बहुत एक्टिव हैं, सपोर्टेड हैं और इसके लिए ही हम लोगों ने इतना प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग कर चुके हैं।
As we have gathered here for the spouse night and the gratitude ceremony, we begin with the Jewel in the Crown awards.
The awards were given to the Rotarians for their outstanding performances under the category Jewel in the Crown. The RCJW have served the society in all 7 areas of focus, and the Rotarians who could make it possible were awarded under the category of the heartbeat of the club. The evening featured entertainment, special awards, birthday and anniversary celebrations, followed by dinner and fellowship.
हमारे साथ हैं रोटरी क्लब ऑफ जमशेदपुर वेस्ट की प्रथम लेडी रोटेरियन विनीता झा। हम उनसे जानना चाहेंगे कि स्पाउस नाइट का रोटरी क्लब जमशेदपुर वेस्ट के लिए क्या महत्व है।
थैंक्स अंजनी। रोटरी क्लब रोटरी वेस्ट शुरू दिन से हर समय से ये हमारी परंपरा रही है कि हम लोग स्पाउस नाइट मनाते हैं और सारे स्पाउसेस को हम लोग फेलिसिटेट करते हैं। वो इस रोटरी क्लब में मतलब हस्बैंड रोटेरियन से भी ज़्यादा बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा लेती हैं और उनके ही योगदान से हमारा क्लब ऊपर जाता है। घर में भी वो सपोर्ट करती हैं प्लस अपने हस्बैंड को बाहर भी सपोर्ट करती हैं और रोटरी वेस्ट में भी पार्टिसिपेशन लेती हैं 100%।
We are here in Hotel Shaurya Inn today, 17th of May, to celebrate the Spouse Night, which is clubbed with the award and appreciation night also. And we have our President Ashok Jhaji, Rotarian Ashok Jha, with us, and we will ask him about the significance of this evening. Yes, sir.
In fact, every year RCJW celebrate, for our club's appreciation and award night for the members. Whatever our club has achieved during the year till now, service ourselves, many members has involved by different various way. So this is the time has come to recognize them and give them appreciation award as well as the recognition award.
A PPH health camp was organized at Ichapur Mandir Tola, benefiting 105 people. Medicines were sponsored by Rotarian Kamal Gupta, reflecting RCJW's continued commitment to community health care. Rotarian Kamal has sponsored with free medicines over 1 lakh approximately in this Rotary year alone. Rota Quest 2026, The Inter-Rotrac Quiz competition was successfully held at DBMS College of Education. Teams from leading colleges participated enthusiastically. The winning teams were awarded by the chief guest PDG Pratim Banerjee. The winners of the competition were first prize Netaji Subhash University, Prateek Jha and Raj Vivek Yadav. Second prize KMPM Vocational College, Nandini Singh and Vaibhav Jaidan. Third prize DBMS College of Education, Spriha and Manju Mahato. The event was skillfully conducted by quiz masters Mrs. Sangeeta Lahiri and Dr. V. Murali, who energetically hosting kept the audience engaged and entertained throughout the program. The concept of the program was initiated by RCJW President Rotarian Ashok Jha and Rotarian Vinita Jha and beautifully executed by Rotarian Dr. Juhi Samarpita with equal support from PP Anjani Sahai. Rotak West 2026 reflected Rotary's strong commitment towards youth empowerment, leadership development, learning and collaboration.
You are a quiz master, Anjali Ganeshan. She herself is a quiz master. And how was the level of the quiz today? What was the standard? You were conducting the program. What is your comment?
So the level of the quiz was very absolutely excellent, and only those children who are abreast with the current affairs and they are very aware of the social media and what is going around them, those who are aware of the world around them will be able to answer these questions very easily.
I really liked the way it was organized and well mannered, played by all the contestant. The contestant and the quiz level was so high that difficulty level was so high that I really appreciate the participants and as well as the organizers who have made it so well organized that I am really no words to. I don't have any words for that. How it is being organized.
Food distribution drive at Palna Ghar benefited around 30 children of daily wage workers. Essential items including milk, bread, biscuits and nutritious food supplements were distributed. On 16th May, as part of an ongoing community outreach initiative, a food distribution drive was organized at Palna Ghar by Rotarian Vinita Jha, Rotarian Radhika at Palna Ghar, benefiting approximately 30 children of daily wage workers. The initiative aimed to provide essential nutritious support to children in need. In a heartwarming act of service, Rotarian Dr. Sujata Mitra facilitated free treatment for Kamal, a contractual worker suffering from oral cancer. Following successful treatment, he recovered fully and expressed heartfelt gratitude. Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West launched its Rural Community Pond Rejuvenation Project at Kadamjoda village under Mukurkuddi Panchayat, East Singhbhum, with strong support from Adivasi Welfare Foundation under the leadership of noted environmentalist and active Rotarian Dr. Vikrant Tiwari.
I am Dr. Vikrant Tiwari, a proud Rotarian and founder of Adivasi.org. I wanted to tell you that how, not just because I'm environment lover or I love nature, but also as a Rotarian, I always believe that how much we can give back to our nature, how we can protect, or rather I would say how we can, take steps not to harm our environment, okay?
The restoration work began on a large scale with deployment of multiple JCBs and workers. Villagers warmly welcomed the initiative and assured full cooperation. The community believes the revived pond will enhance water conservation, recharge groundwater, support agriculture and benefit surroundings. A literate village can support the future of a nation, and with this vision, Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West is strengthening its commitment to rural education. In a major step towards sustainable literacy development, the Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West has unveiled an ambitious plan for its school at Murgaguttu village. The initiative aims to benefit the existing facility into a pre-primary school for toddlers, creating a strong educational foundation from an early age. The school premises will also be utilized beyond regular school hours for vocational training programs, including computer, tally, and serving classes for young boys and girls of the village. The proposed institution will be known as Rotary Muskan Pathshala, reflecting Rotary's vision of education empowerment and brighter opportunities for the rural community. The Grant Management and the Stewardship Seminar of District 3250, Nirman, is scheduled to be held at Patna on 7th June 2026. The registration is going on for the same. And good news, RCJW gets highlighted doing maximum number of service projects as well as maximum projects in public image initiative in the whole of District 3250. In addition to the energy of the club bulletin team and also the club to get the second top rank in the last month, Steel Wheel Samachar is proud of RCJW's members for giving us so many activities, projects and achievements. और एक बात, अवार्ड्स ज़रूरी तो नहीं होते, लेकिन किसी एनर्जी ड्रिंक से कम भी नहीं होते. शुक्राना. The district award ceremony will be held at Patna on 21st June 2026. The registration is open now with 1,700 per head. Now let us hear from Club Secretary Rotarian Naman Agarwal with the month's dashboard.
Rotary greetings to all my fellow members. This is Naman Agarwal, Secretary of the club, presenting to you the data for the month of April. Total number of projects done 27, total beneficiaries 2,135 and total cost spent by the club rupees 5,18,335.
नमस्कार, मैं रोटेरियन अंजनी निधि, रोटरी क्लब ऑफ जमशेदपुर वेस्ट, स्टील व्हील समाचार का डायरेक्टर एंड प्रोड्यूसर। एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ हमने इस साल की शुरुआत करी, जिसमें आपको हर महीने रोटरी स्टील समाचार का एक ऑडियो वीडियो वर्जन पहुंचाया है, जो आपको पसंद आया होगा। मैं पहले अपने टीम का शुक्रगुजार हूं, खासकर रोटेरियन डॉक्टर मोनिका उप्पल का, जिन्होंने बखूबी हमारा साथ निभाया और आप उनकी सुंदर आवाज़ में हमारे रोटरी के न्यूज़ को सुनते रहे हैं और देखते भी रहे हैं। अब आपकी बारी है। हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आपको अपना क्लब कैसा लगता है। ये भी जानना चाहते हैं कि आपको हमारी ये मंथली बुलेटिन कैसी लगी। अपना फीडबैक हमें लैंडस्केप में, मतलब यूं इस तरह से कैमरा करके और अपने से सिर्फ 2 फीट की दूरी से रिकॉर्ड करके भेज दें। वी विल include a selected few entries in our next and the concluding edition. अगला महीना हमारा concluding edition होगा। इस रोटरी सत्र का अंतिम एडिशन, जो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एडिशन होगा, उसमें हमारे साथ आप भी होंगे।
That's all for this edition of Steel Wheel Samachar. I, Dr. Monica Uppal, along with producer director Rotarian Anjani Nidhi and the entire team are signing off. Thank you for watching. Until next time, service above self. Namaskar.